Thevenin's theorem. This theorem provides a mathematical technique for replacing a given network as viewed from two terminals by a single voltage source with a series resistance. It makes the solution of a complicated network quite quick and easy. This theorem may be stated as the current flowing through a resistance R connected across any two terminals A and B of a linear active bilateral network is given by VTH divided by R plus RTH, where VTH is the Thevenin equivalent voltage across two terminals when R is removed, and RTH is the equivalent resistance of the network as viewed back into the open circuited network from terminals A and B with all voltage source replaced by their internal resistance and current source by infinite resistance. Now for understanding the Thevenin's theorem, consider the circuit shown in figure A. We have to determine the current flowing through resistance R connected between terminal A and B by using Thevenin's theorem. Now for calculating the current through resistance R, first step is to remove the resistance R from terminal A and B. After removing the resistance R from the terminal A and B, replace the circuit as viewed from two terminal A and B by a single voltage source in series with single resistance as shown in figure B. Here VTH is the single voltage source and is called the Thevenin equivalent voltage, and RTH is the single resistance is called the Thevenin equivalent resistance. This circuit is the Thevenin equivalent circuit of the circuit shown in figure A. Now after this, connect a resistance R between terminal A and B and calculate the current I through resistance R. This current I is given by I is equal to VTH divided by total resistance, that means RTH plus R. This current I is the required current through resistance R of the circuit shown in figure A. Now how we can calculate the VTH and RTH? Now for calculating VTH and RTH, remove the resistance R from the terminal AB as shown in figure C. After removing this, calculate the voltage between terminal A and B. This voltage is the Thevenin equivalent voltage. Now RTH is the equivalent resistance between open terminal A and B after replacing a all voltage source by their internal resistance and current source by infinite resistance. So for calculating the RTH, we have to replace this voltage source V by their internal resistance R. In figure D, we replace a voltage source V by internal resistance R. Now after replacing this, we have to calculate the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. This equivalent resistance is the required Thevenin equivalent resistance RTH.